Okay, so when we begin the dissection of the fetal pig, first thing you want to do is obviously take it out of the bag. And then once you take it out of the bag, you want to secure the pig onto the tray. And you also, at the same time, want to pry its anterior side open to make it easier for you to dissect, okay? And the easiest way to do that is to tie string, right? To tie string around the limb, the forelimb, and then wrap it around the tray, and then tie it on the other forelimb. And by doing so, it spreads the anterior side of the pig, okay? So you can see this is a tiny little guy, all right? And then you'll do the same for the hind legs of the pig, okay? So again, you're tying string around and then wrapping it around the tray. So here we have some string, right? So you want to tie it around, and then you want to wrap it around a couple times around the forelimb so it doesn't come off. Right, so loop it around a few times. Right. And then tie it off. Right. Okay, and then once you've tied off one side, what you're going to do is you're going to lift the tray and wrap the string around underneath the tray. What you want to do is you want to, all right, and they're a little slippery, but you want to tie, right, pull and tie. Right. And you basically repeat that for the hind legs, right? And so okay. And by doing so, right, and again, they're a little slippery. By doing so, it holds the pig in this position so that you guys can begin your dissection.